Alright, so today is pick up the chickens day. Woo! 26 chickens, 25 hens, 1 rooster. And I am at location. Picking them up in just a second. And I got 2 big old cages in the back of my truck. Gonna load them up, take them back down to my house, and then I will probably film releasing them into the chicken run. So, stick with me. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what Chantel thinks of them. So, been working on this thing forever. It's still not completely done, but pretty close. So, all right, deuces. I'm out.
What is that?
What? What?
What are those?
Chickens.
Guess what? They're your chickens.
You like it? Your chickens?
They're your chickens.
Hi.
What are you gonna name them?
Chickens.
Betty, Bob, Maria, blah, 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 blah.
You can't hardly tell them apart.
You ain't gonna be able to name these. See the darker ones?
Yeah.
Those are more like a show bird.
Well,
These are lighter.
Yeah, you can pet them.
Got better genetic of Rhode Island Red. You petting them?
Yeah, they were shaking his head.
Yeah, you glad you came to the chicken house now? Huh? Hey, you glad you came over to the chicken house now?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, these are big ones.
Yeah, what are you gonna name them? I got an idea. Let's just call them Chicken. You wanna call them just Chicken?
Chantal, look at me.
Glasses on, Dad.
I know, I don't have your glasses though, baby. We gotta get these birds out because it's getting warm.
Look at them.
Isn't that cool?
Okay, it's alright. I'm not gonna hurt you.
I can't touch them.
Try petting them to the side.
No, I don't want to mess with those. You can come mess with these.
We got the peckers. Paget's peckers are now 100% on the property, and we're getting them out. And this ought to be interesting. So, I just picked them all up. Like, they're all good. They're not like mean or anything. So,
Let's get them out of here. Let's get them.
I just got to figure out how to work this stupid thing. Watch out, Chantel.
Move, toe girl.
You can't ever get this. There we go.
Watch out, toe.
You're free. Go run to the wild. You're free. Run to the wild. You know those other ones in that cage over there, like they're jailed. They're like, hey man, why don't we get out? They're all fine. Yep, there's one cage out.
I want to touch them.
Hey, you want to let these ones out too?
Yeah, that was
see here.
good.
Are you petting them?
Yeah, that's not a one.
Oh. Well, there's a rooster right there.
I know.
Look. See? They don't care. They're like chill, man. I mean, I'm just telling you.
I'm just petting them.
And a rooster ain't gonna attack you with its beak. Like, it would jump up and try to like that or whatever.
Yeah.
But it's all good. Okay, watch out. We're gonna let these ones out. You ready?
Okay.
Well, if I can figure out how to get this door open. I'm gonna have to hurt their feet. There we go. All right, come on, y'all. You're free.
Go around it, Dennis. There you go. One got out.
One gets out, they'll all go.
No, toe. Get over here so Dad can get them to come out.
Once they figure out, there we go.
There's one.
Nice picture.
There you go. Oh. Move. Oh, that one found its way. Oh, no, it didn't. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go. Oh, baby, that one's trying to get out through the...
Where? What?
Oh, I was talking about the one right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they're already going under that.
Oh, yeah, they want that shade. Plus, they're going to eat that grass.
Hi, babies. Hi. So happy to have you.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I gotta give a big shout out to my buddy Kess. He raised these up. I purchased them back in, I don't know, 3 months ago, something like that. And he's been raising them up and everything, keeping them down his place. So got a kind of a jump start on the egg laying thing. So it's gonna be about another month to 6 weeks before they're all laying. So just happy to have them.
Yes, we are. We're happy to have you girls. Yeah.
Underneath the house, Chantel. Isn't that weird?
We're happy to have you girls.
Baby, I'm gonna he's out. Watch out. I got it.
Look at that, baby.
I got this one. Hey, they got under the house. Tell them, say, that's my chicken house.
Yeah, now your chicken home.
You like your chickens?
Welcome.
Yeah? I tell you what, Daddy's gonna go ahead and put that water on, so. Look, they're all chilling underneath the shade.
Oh, no.
It's gonna be 95 today. They're so awesome. So we got 25 total, 23 hens and 2 roosters. Yep, we're awesome. We're good to go. What do you think, Chantel?
Yes.
So my wife's working probably 30 minutes away, and she said they got hail. We haven't got anything yet, but look at those clouds. And then just how they are. Oh, wow, they really blew up over here. I didn't know they blew up like that. That is crazy. I know you probably can't see it on video. Let me see if I can. The video doesn't do it justice.
Jump this way.
But anyway, the storm's coming in, and these chickens, this is their first day. I'm trying to get them to use that ladder and go in there. I've been putting them up in there, but they use it fine coming down, but I'm kind of wondering if they're going to coop up tonight or not. Kind of worried about them. Chantel, leave the door closed. No. Close the door, please. Thank you. I know you want to go in there, but we're going to leave them alone for a while and see if they'll coop up, okay? All right. Big helper. Anyway, so everything's closed up in there. They should be safe. They'll just go in there. They've been staying underneath it all day, so we'll see what happens. But, man, them clouds look crazy. Look at this one over, or these ones over here. That is really crazy. That is blown up. Anyway, all right, I'm out for day 1 of the chickens. Still got stuff to do on the chicken coop, but the chickens are here. Paget's Peckers, signing off. New York City. All right, I'm gonna go out here and check on the Peckers. See how they're doing. And update on the, I'll show you a little something here. My neighbor put some, that was an anthill. I mean, there's still a few ants around. But my neighbor put some ant killer on it. And it's really helped. In fact, I had like 3 mounds that, yeah, I kept getting lit up by these daggum fire ants. But is the chicken coop done? The answer to that question is no. No, it is not. I still have plenty of stuff to do, and I gotta get these trusses fixed because they're screwed up, and fix this roof. But anyway, that's where I'm at on it. Maybe I'll get it done today. All right, so laying out the predator apron, and if you see, I've already bent up the lip. And if you'll just get like a 1x4 or something and lay it in there so you can measure how much your bend is to crimp it up, it'll be a lot easier. You just take, well, I'll show you. You just lay this whole thing out on the ground, get your 1x4, get it to your edge, like that, and then fold it up like that so you keep a nice, even, like, 4-inch lip, you know, and then it winds up looking like that. That way when you get down there with your air stapler, you can just truck along, you know, you don't have to worry about trying to bend it up as you go. So anyway, nobody ever showed me that. Just something I learned in college. So, peckers are doing fine. Day 2. Got some trash in there I need to get out. Yeah, I've got to build them an automatic water and feeder. So, I don't want to be coming out here every morning. All that. Dealing with it. So, lazy. All right, I'm going to get this Predator apron in and we'll holler at you later. Okay, I got the Predator apron down. Obviously, I ain't got dirt over it or staked down or anything. But I'm going to go ahead and start working on some of these, hey, you can see them up there. Anyway, those crossboards going across the trusses. So I can put some more metal down. And then obviously, I'm going to come back in here on these trusses and put a brace across every one of them. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. It's about midday on Sunday. All I got's about half a day to do some stuff on this, but it'll get there eventually. All right, I'm out. See how the peckers are doing. There they are. I got to get their feed barrel done and put the PVC tubes in there so they can have a feed barrel instead of a just a lid down there that I'm putting feed on right now. And their water has been holding up. They go through, if it's pretty hot, they're going through that about, you know, once a day to fill that up. So last night, a few of them did go ahead and roost. I had to put that light in there. See that light? And once I put the light in there, they kind of went in there by themselves a little bit. Some did, some didn't. So I had to put the rest in. And a lot of the reason why they're not going in there is because they keep on gathering up over here in this corner, and that's where they want to hang out all night. Well, the reason is because there's this street light right there, a security light, and it's really bright. It's a nice LED, lights up everything, and so they'd rather be under that light where they can see. So hopefully putting the light inside there is helping. But anyway, well, all right, that's enough yakking. I'm going to get after it and try to fix these trusses and get this stuff done. I'll let you take a look at it when I'm done. All right, just put a layer of bedding down, just pine shavings, but just for their chicken run. Got a little wet for a couple days, you know what I'm saying? Kind of doesn't smell so good, but yeah, they needed some bedding anyway, so shout out to my friend Renee for buying me a bag of it. That was nice of her. I have to repay the favor. But yep, these are them. Oh, by the way, that's Hey Hey. It's about the only one we got a name for. Hey Hey.
Hey,
What's up, Hey Hey?
What's up, Hey Hey?
Hey Hey Hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's fine, rooster.
It's fun.
Watch what happens when I do turkey calls. Watch all their heads. Here we go. Well, they really get feisty on that one.
Woo, woo.
Yeah, all right, let's quit stressing him out. Man, he's got some nice feathers coming in. That Hey Hey, he's getting a little bigger now.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, I got one more rooster. I don't know where that sucker's at. He around here somewhere.
He's in a chicken house.
Any day, he should be getting some eggs. What do you think? She's got mulberry all over her face, so it looks like I beat her, but Chantel, any day now, get some eggs. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, do you notice anything about that chicken coop? Yep, you'd be correct. The colors, aside from all my mistakes on roofing, yeah, whatever. But the colors, when you're homesteading and things like that, you just use what you got. And that's what I got. And I'm gonna have to get some more, but at least it saved me some money. And I just gotta go back and paint it. I'm gonna paint everything tan like that color right there. So anyway, got this fly that just keeps landing on me. Ugh, so frustrating. So when you make your little rope there to hang off and you're tying off the ends, this nylon cord right here, you can take a lighter and burn the ends so it doesn't come, you know, frayed out on you. So just a little tip from me to you. Now, if you don't have a lighter, that's probably because you're growing the wrong vegetables. That's all I got to say about that. All right, I'm out. All right, so May 11th, those storms are currently, yeah, I'd say over Lawton. Blown up. Lots of tornado warnings going on right now in the OKC metro. That one there looks pretty good too. I don't know. Hopefully everybody's safe. Well, so you can see my mess. Mess. Yeah, build your own chicken coop. It's just so much better. Okay, well, I gotta clean all this crap up. Anyway, there's my roof. I know, not the best roof line, whatever, but you get the point. It'll work. So I painted all the panels to be the same color as the coop, which looks better than that green right there. Let's see. See that green and that gray? Nah, not a fan. So I gotta get up on top of the coop and try to, well, you know, paint it. But I think it definitely looks better having all the color. The very tops of these are just like the tan color on the building. And I haven't got to those yet either, but I gotta get up on the ladder inside and get those. But yeah, getting up on top of the coop isn't fun. It doesn't look that high and everything, but I'm scaredy cat, you know, when it comes to heights. I mean, I'm only 5'3", and you put me on a curb, I feel like I'm on a skyscraper. So anyway, don't want to fall out of, you know, when I was younger, I used to hunt out of these trees for deer, like way up on this little bitty platform. Never bothered me. Could kill a deer with a bow, you know, drawing that back on that tiny platform. And people still do it today, you know, but me now, I'm like, ooh, give me a ground blind or some kind of big platform in the air. But anyway, I digress. So I need to get that finished. Can't finish the other side of the roof until, you know, hey, don't really have that, you know. So got to be able to get the panels and all that. But I can't wait too much longer because I don't want to just leave a roof off of it and something get in there. So anyway, chickens are doing good though. Just filled up their water. Note to self. Kind of see the level there. Well, that was just now full because it takes a little bit to fill up that bottom bowl. So if you fill up the bottom bowl first and then put it on there, you don't, you know, you can have more water, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So in case you got to go somewhere for a day or two, but depends on how hot it is. You know, like I said, they're going through that. If it's pretty hot, they're going through that container right there in one day. But temperatures around 80, 81. That'll last about 2 days. So of course I got to get my automatic waterer done. But yeah, I just want to finish painting the roof and everything. But wanted to show you where I was at on it. I mean, I ain't got too much more to go to where I don't have to sit there and keep jacking with it. So is what it is. I think they're going to be pretty happy in there, you know, as best the chicken can be happy. Maybe I'll have to get some toys for the run or something. All right, hey, I'm out, man. Done chatting your ears off, but that's where we're at on it. Hope everybody's safe out there today, you know, in the tornadoes. If you're in Oklahoma, also some people up there in Kansas getting some. And but right now, as far as I'm looking, we are clear as a bell. I'll give you a shot of the lake real quick before I go. There it is. So beautiful. Some days it's brown, some days it's blue. Today's a blue day. All right, peace. I'm out.